My name's Amy and I live in Hemel Hempstead with my husband and my 3 children, and we were very lucky to win the Do It For Dad competition from Rated People. My husband's name is Richard. I entered us into the competition because we've just moved into a house and every part of the house needs redecorating. I don't have any DIY skills and he tries his best and he wants to do it, but he has dyspraxia. So with having the whole house to do, we thought this would be the perfect competition for us because it would get us started on the road with the one room being decorated for us. He couldn't believe, he was like, "Are you sure that that's real?" and everything, but he was like, yeah, but he couldn't quite believe it, but he was very happy that we'd entered and we'd won, obviously. The work Remek's doing is to repair, there was lots of holes in the walls and we had plasterboard that was all breaking and coming away. Everywhere needed repainting. He's done a lot of repair work. He's actually had to replaster all the walls, but he's done a very good job, yeah, it's looking really good. The thing I'm most looking forward to is relaxing with my family in the nicely newly done room. This is our main room where we relax, we have dinner, all the children play in here. It's the main focus room of the house. We're so happy and pleased that we've done it for Dad.
Thank you, Rated People.